I'm Esther from Life Science Centre. This is a pendulum, a weight on the end of a line that swings back and forth. Swings at playgrounds are also pendulums, and when you swing on them, you're the weight on the end. Pendulums are also used in old-fashioned clocks to keep the hands moving. They're useful because once you start them going, they just swing back and forth. Eventually though, dragging against the air around them makes them slow down and stop. If you can make a pendulum that drips paint, you can make some beautiful patterns. I'm outside, but you can do this inside too, so long as you ask an adult and make sure you cover the floor to stop it getting too messy.
You will need some space, 2 chairs, a broom, some paper or plastic cups, some string, scissors, a skewer, tape, a blob of sticky tack, water, paint and paper.
Start by putting down anything you need to cover the floor, then place the 2 chairs back to back and slot the broom through the gaps in the chair backs so it's horizontal. To poke a hole in the bottom of the cup, put a blob of sticky tack on a table and put the cup over it. Next, use a skewer to poke a hole through the cup and into the blob of sticky tack. Once that's done, cover the hole with tape and tie some string around the top of the cup. Use more string to hang the cup from the broom, and now it's time to test it. I use water for this bit because it's less messy. Fill the cup a couple of centimetres from the bottom, and then take the tape off so that the water starts to drip through. Pull the pendulum back and let it go. When you're ready to paint, put some paper down and weigh or tape it so it doesn't move. I use a mixture of paint and water so it's quite thin. It might not work well the first time. The paint might drip too quickly or too slowly. That's okay. Try changing your pendulum and trying again. You might want to change the size of the hole or how much paint you put into the cup. It can take a few goes to get a good painting. Once you've started making paintings, you can experiment by changing your pendulum and seeing how the painting changes. What happens if you pull the pendulum back by different amounts, or if you use different lengths of string? Share your pendulum paintings with us on social media @Science at Life.